Hey friends, so welcome to the channel. If you're like, Rhonda, okay, listen, remember how I said I have these really good ideas? I just need to execute them. Okay, well, example, exhibit A. So I did a Temu haul, and in that haul is a tent. And mind you, this tent is pretty flippin' amazing. It's about a 3-person tent. I think I told you guys too. Anywho, that doesn't matter, and I don't even know if that video's up yet. But just know that I got it up easy peasy lemon squeezy. Not 100% on how to get it down. So for the next few videos, it's going to be in there. Why? Let me tell you. I am trying my best to pre-film as much as I can over here. My eye is twitching at the thought of it because I have to gut. I don't have to, but I'm redoing my beauty room. Y'all know it. If you watch my Get Ready With Me, you already know it. So anyways, it is a work in progress. So I am filming as much as I can. So I only have to film on the other channels, which are always in different rooms. But you guys may see future Get Ready With Me's in random places and corners of my house. Because at this point, I'm just like, ah! So I've procrastinated long enough. So yeah, I'm all over the place. So it's a Monday. It's a rainy Monday. And it's one of those cozy Mondays that you just want to crawl back in bed and just enjoy yourself. Like doing nothing. You know what I mean? But that's not my reality. So another thing, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? How are you moms, dads out there? How you guys doing? The kids are back in school by the time you guys see this video. My baby children started college today, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not well. I've never been one of those moms that was excited for my kids to go to school, ever. I was always like, oh, okay. Did you guys have fun? I miss you so much. You know what I mean? I've always been that mom. So anyways, my eye is twitching because there's a lot going on. But welcome to the channel. Welcome if you are new here. If you're not, it's going to be a repeat fest, I'm sure. But even if you are new here, it's probably going to be a repeat fest because that's what I do. That's how my brain works. Anyways, we are unboxing our August ice cream beauty box. Today is August 14th. It just arrived, and you probably won't see these videos until like next week or something because like I said, I'm trying to space everything out so I can really focus in on that beauty room. The ice cream beauty box is like $25 a month. Code HOTMESS does save you 10% off your first box. It's not an affiliate code. It just kind of lets Ice Cream Beauty Box know that, hey, Rhonda sent you over their way. So thank you guys if you do use that code. Before I jump into the unboxing and more rambles, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you so much for your love and support. Supporting the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of you all. Shout out to those of you, and thank you to those of you that are clicking that thanks button. I'm calling it tipping the channel because I really don't know. It's something kind of new that YouTube's implemented, and you don't have to join in a membership or anything like that. You can just click that button and donate to the channel if you want to. Never feel like you have to, but thank you if you choose to, and thank you to those of you that are just returning and watching, being kind in the comment section. I appreciate you guys too. I don't want to leave anybody out. I'm a people pleaser, so there's that. Anyways, if you are new to the Ice Cream Beauty Box, this has quickly become, I feel like, a lot of people's favorite subscription. It is a very makeup heavy box. You may see tools in here. You may occasionally see skincare, but one thing you are always going to find in this subscription box is a palette. Every single month. So if you are working on growing your makeup collection, I suggest checking in, looking into the Ice Cream Beauty Box. You can also shop their website as well, which is really nice, of past items that have been in the boxes. And of course you can cancel your subscription at any time. I've always had wonderful shipping with them as well. Now they have changed it up to where you do get a nice larger size card for the box, and it is breaking it down, each individual item in here, the price, and a little information about it. And I honestly appreciate that they do that. They also theme it, and for August it's called Under the Sea. And sorry, I was like sneaking in. I'm like, stop sneaking. Okay, so the first item in here that I see is from Charmacy, and it's a multi-chrome. I'll tell you what, when it comes to the Ice Cream Beauty Box, they have been just knocking it out of the ballpark when it comes to multi-chromes, duochromes, all of that. And it's typically from brands that I don't really know much about. So this, is it like a liquid? I think it is. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, so Charmacy Milano, and it's in shade 902. This is what it looks like. Do you guys see that? That is so pretty. So a little information about this is it does say it is a multi-chrome liquid liner by Charmacy with a $12 retail value. It's a long-lasting waterproof liquid eyeliner formula that shifts between 3 to 4 colors depending on the way that the light hits it. You can use it over a black liner or just create your own. So I know that I already have one, like a multi-chrome liner, and I'll be honest, I don't use it that often because my skills when it comes to liquid liners. So this is going to go into a giveaway, so I'm not going to open it up or anything. I'm going to put it right back into the box for you guys. And by the way, can I just say shout out and thank you to Ice Cream Beauty Box for sending this box over my way. I definitely appreciate it, but I am going to put this into a giveaway and share with you all. Next in here, I have the Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer with spirulina and matcha, and it's by Earth Harbor. And okay, here's another thing. This is a great product, but I am gonna just go ahead and put it into a giveaway because I have to go through my beauty room, and right now I have pulled aside my skincare products that are going to tide me over until I get this beauty room completed. It's my hope, my goal. So I'll just make today's video a giveaway for y'all. But this is the Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. I have done told you guys that, but it is by Earth Harbor, and this is actually a really good skincare type of brand. I really like a lot of their products. Matter of fact, I've only had one product that didn't work for me, and it was only because it had some sort of like coconut oil in it, and all from like my neck down, coconut oil is fine. On my face, it's like a no ma'am. Has a huge fit. So this does have a $42 retail value. It's a purely plant-derived replenishing moisturizer that will hydrate and balance the skin while giving you a mermaid glow. It is a really good skincare line, y'all. So I think that you will really enjoy it. It is also good for a makeup primer. So if you get this, I really think you're gonna like it. But like I said, I don't want to stockpile, especially right now. I'm doing a huge amount of donations. I found this really cool place that my daughter's fiance is a part of, and a lot of my stuff is going to go over there, and of course to some women's shelters and churches and everything. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a giveaway with those products, and I'll probably add some more to it. But my giveaways, if you guys know, they're super easy, and all you have to do is fill out the form. It's going to be in the description box. I'll try and remember to pin it in the comment section. If you don't see it in the comment section, don't worry, it most definitely will be in the description box when you drop it down. Just fill out the form in its entirety, like literally in its entirety. Then that way I don't even announce the winner. I pick the winner at random, I ship it off to you. You know you won when it shows up at your door. It's easy peasy, and with everything I have going on, it's like the best way to do giveaways. So anyways, and actually this week, well actually by the time you guys see this video, all of the prior giveaways I had going on, everything should be mailed out and arriving at the winner's doors by the time this video goes up, potentially. Today is August 14th, so potentially. All right, anyways, moving on to the next item in here. This is Beauty for Certain, and I think this is like their lip oil, number 50. This is a lipstick, and I'm gonna put this in the giveaway too. Not because I think these products are bad by any means, but I do, like, I'm very grateful and blessed because I do receive PR, and I kind of do this thing where I do shop quite often, so I would just rather share with you guys. So anywho, this is a matte liquid lipstick from Beauty for Certain. It's a $22 retail value, and it's a matte liquid lipstick that goes on smooth and stays in place. And I have tried their products in the past, and they are really good. Like I said, this is number 50, which it is a deeper, darker, kind of a brick red shade, perfect for going into fall. So I'm not going to swatch that because I am going to gift that to you guys as well. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is called Ocean Breeze, and I believe it's a loose pigment. Yes, it's a loose shimmer pigment by Mermaid Scales Cosmetics. It's a $10 retail value, and it'll complement any eyeshadow color. It's supposed to complement the eyeshadow palette that's in here. Okay, let me show you guys the eyeshadow palette that's in here. Mermaid Scale Cosmetics and Ice Cream Beauty Box Mermaid Tails palette. So it's in like a sleeve and a cardboard type of component. And then, oh wow, you actually get a mirror in here as well. Oh, this definitely would complement it. Okay, so funny enough, I'm pretty sure y'all know what color I'm literally like, I need to swatch it, but here's the color story. Very much mermaid vibes, but I gotta swatch this one. It's called Dazzle. Wow. It's so nice and soft. Okay, so my first thought is Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base Primer in white to really make this pop even more than it already does. I mean, that is a really, I thought it was going to be more scary, but I feel like just on its own, it's perfect. That Clean Canvas Eye Base by Gerard Cosmetics would really make it pop, which would be so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then to pair this color with it, I bet really would be beautiful. So I will keep these two items to hopefully be able to come back and do a look. But oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's so like outside my cozy zone, but oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so mermaid, and I feel like that loose pigment would be so pretty. Oh, I love that. Do you guys see how pretty? Oh, I'm like picturing like really doing, not that I ever do like avant-garde or whatever it's called kind of looks, but I feel like that would be so pretty to even like do it as a highlighter or something. This is a really pretty palette. It's definitely an outside my cozy zone palette, but I feel like I need to do things outside my cozy zone sometimes, you know what I mean, to really push myself. Now those kind of videos I normally play music over it because I need all full concentration, you know, like quiet. Rhonda's gotta think. It's like when I'm driving, you got to turn down the radio so you can concentrate. You know what I'm saying? It's just, I'm one of those people. A little information, this does have a $35 retail value, and they've collaborated on this palette with another great indie company, Mermaid Scale Cosmetics. I think it's really pretty. I mean, all these different colors. I mean, good old sand is my cozy zone color, and then I'd have to work off of that. So we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna do something. I mean, the few colors that I did swatch are really nice. The mattes, I'm still a little shocked that the pink had that much payoff, considering how bright of a pink that is. I feel like that's not very common. So I have high hopes for this palette. Of course, I'll come back, whether it's over on Instagram or TikTok or here, and create some kind of look. But overall, the packaging is really nice. It's like a nice, durable, heavy kind of palette. And the fact that you get a mirror in here that's actually a good mirror, not a funhouse mirror, for $35, I'm like, wow, that's really nice. I mean, the palette alone pays for the box. So anywho, that is everything in the box, and of course you've got the little loose pigment too, but I'm gonna keep those 2 products. I'm gonna go ahead and gift the other 3 products to you all. Like I said, check my description box down below for the link to fill out the giveaway, and then you'll know you won when it shows up at your door. Don't ever, ever, never like think that I'm gonna comment under your comment. That's not how I do. I don't even bother you. I just have it show up at your door. And that is it. That is all. So make sure that you fill everything out correctly, because there's no going back and fixing it, you know. So anyways, all I ask is y'all are subscribed to my channel. That's legitimately it. Just if you're subscribed, stay subscribed, and that's it. So anyways, thank you once again to Eyescream Beauty Box for sending this box over my way. If you do want these 3 products in today's giveaway, then check out the little link. Thank you guys bunches and bunches if you made it to the end of today's video. I greatly appreciate it. Shout out one more time to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Thank you to those of you that are clicking that thanks button and tipping the channel, and those of you that just keep coming back. Thank you guys. Anyways, friends, check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for curvy girl fashion hauls over there, Hotmess in the kitchen, and of course TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Should we name the tent? I don't know. I should name the tent. She gonna be here for a bit. Anyways, until next time, I'll see y'all. Mwah!